Uh, well, welcome back to the channel. Hi, my name is Mike, and today for the Easy Woodworking Project is a little Easter basket. Let me show you what we started with, so you get some idea of what we're talking about. We make these, and just go ahead and decorate them inside. Put a little bow and stuff, a little rabbit on the inside. It's great for Easter. So we're going to go ahead and make this. Sit down here. Okay, just going to take a few boards, nothing big about it. Some scrap wood, if something you have, be fine. So we're going to start out with the two sides and the bottom boards. So we're going to have two sides, and this lumber is all 3/4 inch lumber. So I try to stick with that because you can buy that, in your local hardware store or your, Home Depot or whatever like that. So we kind of make the projects where you can kind of get the wood. Sometimes we have to cut them to make them a little bit smaller, but not a biggie on that, you know what I mean? So here we go. Here we have the first one is a 6, so it would be 6 inches across here, and then 6 3/8 high. Okay, you need two of those like that, 6 inches wide and then 6.5 inches high. Okay, so you need two of those, and then you're going to need a bottom here. The bottom board is 10.5 inches this way high, long, and then 6 inches wide. Which when you cut your board, this all came from one board. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go ahead and get started with that. Now I'm using 1.25 inch staples for the staple gun. That's the best I could find. I mean, if you get too big, it's going to go completely through it. Okay, so that's what we're using there. So let's go ahead and put some glue here. And then get this side put in. Need something to go there, huh? All right. Okay, let's get the next side here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we got these two sides here done. So the next thing we're going to do is put these sideboards on. And there's 6 of these, so you need 6 sideboards. These are going to be, I'll give you exact measurement off of them. 12 inches, so it'll be 12 inches long this way, okay? And then I have 1.5 inches like this. And then these boards, now you can make them a little bit, if you want it thicker, that's fine. But I got them down to, but I got them 3/8 of an inch. I think I did something else 3/8, and I had these slats, these little slat boards before on another project. That's probably why they came out to 3/8. But it seemed to work okay. I didn't mind it. Okay, I'll start the first one right here on the top. Now, I do want to watch it and make sure that it's square before you get too much on it. So you definitely want to run a square on it and make sure those boards, that your cut is really square. You don't want to kind of wobbling around a little bit. So we'll go ahead and start some glue here. Get my first board on here. Now this is where the spacer comes in place. You take your spacer and put it right up against like this, and then of course I'm going to have to put a little more glue here. Real simple. We turn it this way so you can kind of see what I'm doing. then move it down here. Do the same thing. I mean, they're just, I mean, you could put these out pretty fast if you wanted to make them, and especially for Easter. So, you know, if you like to give them out, or you like to sell them, or, you know what I'm saying, something like that. Need my spacer again. One more left, right on the bottom here. That's my last one. Now you see how fast this is going. I mean, gee whiz. If you wanted to make them, sell them, it wouldn't take much at all. Okay, so we have the measurements and everything on these slats, and then of course the sods and the bod. So this is, I mean, you can actually use this without putting the handle on it if you'd like to make something else. I even thought about drilling a couple holes here and put a rope in there, so it'd be, you know, a little rope basket, and then you can put your Easter stuff in it and decorate it with a few different colors. So we're going to go ahead and give you the measurements off here. I got two of these. I've already marked them. They are they're 12 inches long, and they're 3/4 by 3/4. So if you took a 3/4 inch piece of wood like this, you just, you know, cut them down to 3/4 by 3/4. And then I countersunk it up here because we're going to be using these 1.5 inch screws, these wood screws here, and that's going to go into the handle part on the top. This will be the thing on top. So all three of these boards are exactly the same, so you can't get this get confused on what size they are. I measured on top of here, and what I did here is I measured from the bottom up 2 inches. Okay, this will be this is your top, this is your bottom. From the bottom up 2 inches, and I put a mark here. And then I measured from one side over 2 5/8, and I measure up here 2 5/8. Not on the end of this, but the board itself. Okay, because if you go to the end of it, it's, of course it's going to be a little bit thicker. But I just went right to the edge of the board over 2 inches, 2 5/8, and 2 5/8, and put 2 marks there. So that's where this board here is going to actually go, I guess. It's actually going to go just like this right here. Now, I didn't put any screws in that. If you want, you can probably put a 1 inch screw in there. I don't think an inch and a half would probably be too long, maybe. Nah, it might work if you want to put screws in. I didn't think you have to, because once you glue that, so I think once you glue it and put maybe 3 brad nails in it, I think pretty sure that will hold it. So let's go ahead and put a little glue on the top here. Let's see. Now I didn't mark these ones because I got these pre-drilled already. So let me move this off to the side for a second. Let's see which one I have. Okay. Just to make sure I don't, you know, do too much messing up here. Okay, yeah, this will be fine right here. Okay. Alright, I'll just go ahead and do it anyways. I'm gonna, I mean, if you get one in the bottom down here, if you would like, you can go ahead and run a square on them and then do something like that, you know what I'm saying, just to kind of double check it to make sure your measurement's right. Okay, let's get this other one on. Do this one. Yeah, that way. Oop, I gotta put my measurements on this one. Alright, let me try scoring that out. Yep. Okay, we're done with the glue. Because I don't think you're going to really need it. I mean, you can. I guess you could glue that down. I don't see a problem with it if you want to put a little glue in the handle. Now, you just drop it down where you would like it to be. I mean, you could come down, not that far maybe. I got mine all, like I said, it's pre-drilled, so. But you can come down where you like, wherever you feel comfortable. I mean, maybe not too far, but you can probably come down here somewhere. I wouldn't hurt it. Of course, I got my drill here. Okay, one side. Okay. Now that was easy. Wasn't nothing hard whatsoever building something like this. And what I'm going to do now, I'll probably end up sanding all this. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of round it off a little bit so it can give a little bit that look than it is to have that square look on it. And I'll show you. Let's go ahead and move this over here. Well, here's the little green basket we did. And here's a little yellow basket we did. And make really nice gifts for Easter or sell. I don't know how much you can get out of these. I normally don't do things like that. I don't like misleading people because it's where you live at. It might sell, it might not sell, and I don't want to be the one to tell you that, about making these it's going to sell. You're just going to look it up and do some research and find and pick out the best project that that would sell in your neighborhood. You understand what I'm saying? And then go ahead and make them and sell them out. But to make a couple of them, maybe put them on Marketplace or something like that, it might be okay. Just a little bit of decoration and stuff inside. We enjoy making this stuff. You guys ought to keep up with it and give it a try. It keeps you busy for sure, and it's a lot of fun. So a couple Easter little crates, baskets. I would say they're little baskets, just made out of wood. Really adorable. So all right, that's it for today for the easy woodworking project, is the Easter baskets. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Real simple, real easy to make. You pick up your color. I used less than a can of paint for each one of these, so you can probably get 2 of these out of 1 can of paint. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I really appreciate that. And the thumbs up is great. Help my videos out, help my channel. And you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.